Hey everyone, so this is going to be my little TED Talk video about an unpopular opinion. Okay, and I know a lot of people are going to disagree with me or agree with me, so this is why I am calling an unpopular opinion. So please, no rude comments, below or anything like that, because they will be deleted. We don't have time for that. We are grown adults here. To each his own. You guys do what y'all want to do. I will do what I want to do with my hair. It works for me, so we're just going to keep it cute, okay? So the unpopular opinion is trimming. How us girls trim our hair? How often do we trim our hair? Or how often do we women, ladies, and we get our kids' hair trimmed, but we're not talking about kids. How often do us ladies trim our hair? Okay, so I personally trim my hair I trim my hair twice a year from a professional. So I go to a professional and in their books they call it cut, because there's really no such thing as a trim in a professional setting. They just call it a cut. So when you pay for a trim, you're paying for a cut. So that's what that is. And I go to my salon that I've been going to for years, Alchemy Salon in Silver Spring, Maryland. I've been going there for 5 years. I started going there when I was a curly girl, but now I go there as a straight girl. When I first went straight, because I cut it in a bob, and he wanted me to do a long bob. But yeah, instead of getting a diva cut like I used to, which costs more, I do get a trim or cut, and that runs about $100. So once upon a time, I was that girl years ago that used to go to the salon every 3 months to get her hair trimmed. 3 months is not that bad. But I was not taking care of my hair, and I was seeing a lot more split ends at that time. So I felt like I didn't really have a choice but to go once every 3 months. But now I am a straight natural and I have a whole hair care routine. I do not see split ends as often anymore, so I don't go as often as I used to. I only go once every 6 months, which is twice a year. So that's a huge difference. I know that there are some women out there who goes once every 4 to 6 weeks. And I know some women who go to the salon once every 12 weeks, which is once every 3 months. But in my opinion, I feel like I don't need to go that often. I do believe if you're going very often that you could use a hair care routine to take care of your hair, not only at the salon, but when you're at home. When you're taking care of your hair, you are protecting your ends at all costs, because your ends is the oldest part of your hair, and that's what needs to be protected in order to see length retention. You want to have that length retention in order to see growth. So that's the main key of having longer hair. Your hair grows about 1/2 inch every month. And if you're cutting more than what is growing, you would never see that growth because you're always cutting it. And your hair is always breaking off because you're not taking care of it. It's good, like, you do need to cut off the breakage. So as often as you need to cut off that breakage, let go of the dead ends. All hair is dead. All your hair is dead. But let go of those split ends. And so it's not traveling up the shaft of your hair, and it's not looking worse than what it started to begin with. So you do want to cut your ends, but if you don't want to trim your ends so often, you have to take care of your hair. I don't know where this started, where people or stylists in general started to say that you need to go to the salon once every month and a half, every 2 months, every 3 months. Look, I don't see that much damage at all. Like, after a month, my hair is still straight like I first got it cut, and there's no split ends. So I don't believe when stylists will tell me that I need to go that often. My stylists do try to get me to go once every 3 months, but I don't have that kind of money to be going once every 3 months. And they usually say, oh, you should go once every 3 months just for a dusting. I dust my own hair at home. Whenever I see split ends, I take it upon myself within that 3-month frame. So I get it cut I go to a professional once every 6 months, but in between that time, I will literally take some shears and I'll just trim the ends myself. And then along that journey, along the time that my hair is being, you know, straightened or whatever, if I see a split end, even if I see one split end, I'll take the shear and I'll cut that one split end off. I'm not cutting all my hair. I'm not cutting healthy hair because it's pretty pointless. But you do need to take care of your hair. I am not but the point is, I'm not sure why people are so adamant about cutting hair so often. If your hair does not have split ends and it is very healthy and you are taking care of it, you have a night routine, you're shampooing and conditioning when you're supposed to, you're deep conditioning, you put moisture back into your hair. Also, I do not put heat in my hair during the summer, so that gives my hair time to breathe for about 3 or 4 months out of the year. Then you do not need to be cutting your hair that often. Okay, no one needs to be cutting their hair that often. But yeah, if you're having breakage and stuff like that, I think it's good to cut your hair. If I did not trim my hair, the split ends will go up the shaft and I will need to cut more. So that's why I take it upon myself to do some dusting before my next appointment. But my appointment is once every 6 months. And so I spend $200 a year. I could spend $400 a year, but I have 3 kids and I'd rather put my money towards something else. So I have my own shears at home and I use those and I dust. I will do a video on that whenever the time comes, but I am getting a trim in 3 days. So usually when I go and get a trim, he'll take off 1/4 of an inch. Not to say that 1/4 of an inch has split ends, but when my hair is dry in between, it might, you know, like I said, I'll dust and I may see like a split end or two, or maybe a fairy knot, and I'll dust that. But to make it completely even, because I just like my hair straight, just cut straight. I don't like the little shapes that everybody be doing. I feel like a blunt cut is easy for me to trim it later on. It's easier for me to take care of it. I have had layers before in the past, but right now I really don't want layers. Maybe in the future I'll probably get some layers for more volume and definition, but right now I am happy with my hair, so I'm not doing that. But yeah, just to get a clean cut and even straight across, he will just cut it straight across. And he said it was usually 1/4 of an inch. Now 1/4 of an inch within 6 months is really good. You know, like I'm not cutting off inches of hair, just 1/4 of an inch. Like, so you guys can see how my hair looks. My last cut was in September. Yeah, September. So I am getting my hair cut on the 28th of February because that's the only appointment that they had. I was trying for the 1st of March or the 6th of March, but they didn't have any openings, and I usually book my appointment a month in advance. So I'll show you guys how my hair looks right now. This is after 6 months of my hair being trimmed. I can't really see it to see how even my hair is until after the video. But what do you guys think? I think it's pretty even, right? But yeah, y'all, my hair used to split badly in the past, and I have burnt my hair with a candle. years ago. So I was very consistent once every 3 months, but now I'm like, just let it grow, let it do its thing. Don't manipulate it too much. I don't comb it that often, and when I do, I comb from the bottom up, and I just treat it like they said, like, this is the oldest part of your hair down here. So I'm very gentle with it, and I take really good care of it. When I do like this, I'm very gentle. Yeah, so and my hair is to like right here. So yep. But yeah, I just say stay very consistent. Wash your hair when needed, dust when needed, trim when needed. Not because someone told you to trim it on this day or that day. I never listen to that. I just don't. I do what I want. And my stylist, I trust him with everything. And I am very picky about trusting stylists because they will cut all your hair off. From what I have heard from other people, I never had experienced that because every stylist I had, I trusted. I always did a consultation first, and I just trusted them. I had a girl who was like around my age who was a stylist years ago, and then I had an older lady who was my stylist who I used to go to in the mall, and then now I go to an actual like hair salon surrounded by other stores, and they do a pretty good job with my hair, and I trust him. I've been going to him for 5 years. He always shows me my hair before he cuts it. So he'll give me the mirror, and he'll be like, this is how much you need cut off. And he'll have a mirror, and then I have my mirror, and I'll see what needs to be cut off. And then he goes right in and cut it. And then he'll start to lift it up for any other damage that he sees. And he'll start cutting it further. If I want bangs, I'll get it. I did get some a while ago, but I mean, it grew out, but like this is shorter than the rest of my hair because I did get it cut at one point. I do like it shorter. I don't know, like this is to here and the rest of my hair is right here. I don't think he really wanted to cut my hair like that, so he didn't. But yeah, that's the spill of an unpopular opinion. I hope this guys helped you in any way. If you are getting your hair cut and you feel good about getting your hair cut very often, I would say continue to do what works for you. And I would just continue to get my 2 trims a year and do what works for me. But if you guys have a great hair care regimen, I would suggest do that and go weeks and weeks doing it, and then month after month, and see how your hair is doing. Look at your ends, see if you see any split ends, and if you don't have split ends, don't even bother getting a trim. Just being honest. But I mean, if you want to, that's your prerogative. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell me how often you get your hair trimmed. I would like to know your opinion on it. Even if it disagrees with mine, I am okay with it. I'm really okay with it. It's okay. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.